So I'm going to do a quick video right here, let you guys understand and let you all know what happens when you have regular properties rather than, group homes. So turn the heat on, it's a little bit cold this morning. So I'm walking outside this morning and lo and behold, I see the constable at my house. Mind you, this is why I always tell you guys, you got to always have your entity set up, hopefully at a PO box or over at the just a regular old USPS address. You do not want to have it at your house. But anyways, they can use LexisNexis to track you down. So I walk outside this morning, and I am not kidding you guys, the constable's out there. So I am being sued for not returning a security deposit to somebody. This is probably about a year ago. And this person was raided by the SWAT department. Okay, so the SWAT department actually came in, raided the property because they had methamphetamine, heroin, the whole 9 yards. I had to spend probably about $5,000 fixing up the property. And now this tenant is asking for their security deposit back after being raided by the SWAT department. Okay, so the moral of the story and the lesson here, excuse me, is that if you have group homes, you really don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Number one, because you're dealing with a different element of society. Number two, because you've got house managers in the property that are watching it on a day-to-day basis, okay? I'm a little bit dried out this morning. I just drank some coffee, so excuse the coughing. Anyway, so that's the moral of the story. Don't get raided by don't let any of your properties get raided by the SWAT department. It's going to cost you a fortune. Your tenants are going to cost you a fortune. It's a complete pain in the ass trying to run regular old rental properties. Okay. The best thing that you can do for the highest amount of cash flow with the least amount of work is to set yourself up with care homes, transitional homes, group homes, so on and so forth. It is the best thing that you could possibly do. You will eliminate the chance of being served by the constable, which I was this morning, by a lady whose house was raided by the SWAT department. So hope this lesson and message finds you well. Learn from my mistakes, okay? Get a mentor. You don't have to make the mistakes on your own. You can learn from my mistakes, okay? You can get the gold course for $179, probably the best money you could ever imagine spending. You can get mentored by Brandon, by myself, with a coaching package, so on and so forth. But do that, everybody. Do that. Set up your care home business. Do not run rental properties. See ya.